What are the benefits of reading a newspaper or magazine?
Newspapers, magazines, can broaden your mind about thousands of things without the need to travel.
How often do you read it?
I read it every day.
What's the best time to read the newspaper?
I think the best time is in the morning when you start a new day.
What types of magazines do you usually read?
I usually read politics and fashion magazines. I also enjoy reading about culture and tourism.
What's your favorite magazine?
My favorite is the New York Times, which writes about all sorts of things: business, sports, movies, travel, books, jobs, education, and real estate.
Do you read the paper or online news?
I prefer online news to save money.
How much does it cost you to buy paper newspaper per month?
I only buy a monthly newspaper, so it doesn't cost much money, around $5 a month.
What is the most popular magazine in your country?
I think it would be Forbes magazine, a leading source for reliable business news and financial information.
With the popularity of internet, do you think newspapers and magazines will disappear?
Yes, unfortunately, it's just a matter of time.
Now you will practice the conversation you have just learned by listening and looking at the questions. Then you pause the video and answer yourself. You must listen and watch the conversation a few times and look it up to make sure you fully understand the questions and answers. Don't worry if your answers are wrong or short. All are acceptable. If you don't know the answer, watch the conversation again and continue doing so until you pass all the questions. This way you will quickly increase your communication skills.
What are the benefits of reading a newspaper or magazine? How often do you read it? What's the best time to read the newspaper? What types of magazines do you usually read? What's your favorite magazine? Do you read the paper or online news? How much does it cost you to buy paper newspaper per month? What is the most popular magazine in your country? With the popularity of internet, do you think newspapers and magazines will disappear?